We're going to create a pivot, which allows us to aggregate and group our data by category, but also save that table and add it to our dashboard. To set a pivot, right-click anywhere in the table. You have row fields that add to your hierarchy, value fields which add to your columns, all fields which your fields live and you can drag from, and you have column fields which adds to the hierarchy of your column titles. And it's as simple as dragging and dropping fields where you want them. You can change the hierarchy. You can change what time period you're looking at. You can create a quick calculation. Let's remove these and let's add date to our column field. And you can choose the function of your value field and how it's rolled up. You can also choose how it's shown. So in this case, I want to know what the percentage difference is from the previous column. Give it a name, and now we can save our pivot. To add this pivot to your dashboard, right-click anywhere in the table, choose Add to Dashboard.